Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to discuss about the rule 5 of Colregs, that is look out. So what does this rule states? Every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions so as to make full appraisal of the situation and risk of collision. So what does this mean? So by using both sight and hearing, watchkeepers must remain vigilant. This involves not only looking out visually but also actively listening to VHF and distress frequencies along with any audible signals. Now, using all available means that a watchkeeper must utilize every resources at their disposal to maintain a lookout. These resources can include VHF, AIS, radar and ECDIS and among all the other navigational instruments. So the primary goal of a watchkeeper is to assess the situation and to identify any collision risk with other vessels. They must be aware of their current circumstances and proactively evaluate potential future scenarios, considering factors like traffic routes that could lead another ship to change course well before time of the closest point of approach.